it's FDR.
Hi. Thank you.
Please use the handrails. Yep. So right there at that dock where you come out, that's where you'll go.
Hey. Let's go, Giants! Let's go!
Remember that actually.
The one-run lead. So now to the night for the States, journeyman Spencer Bivens, and he gets two Cardinals looking for his first career save, and the Giants secure the win 6-5.
Stay with us here, Joe. We just get in, you know, we get our room and everything, and then
Thanks.
we have a story one right now. There's nothing else I can do. Well, good. I hope so. Yeah. How you doing, Barry? It's heavy.
We're going to cast off here.
Oh, yeah. That's very good. Oh, you get one of those.
Life jacket.
Yeah.
Life jacket. Life boy soap.
Jim, are you calling me?
There's like 10 sandwiches up there.
Panera Bread was up here on 4th Street every day. They're great, and the food is not always nice, but they, oh wait, yeah. That's probably a bad thing. You tied it in a knot, man. Expect a simple squirt on. Hold it, hold it. Okay. I think we're there.
Cunningham, yeah, loose Cunningham, good.
Okay.
A little more. Good. Very
I think it's good.
Very good.
This goes in the pocket right by your there.
What's that?
Looks good now.
It's plenty tight, if not too tight, but we don't really. It'll be okay.
Worked very hard. Probably a bit
there's two boats to the left or right. Really? That looks small, but you got much more. I think we go straight in here next to the. Oh, we're not ready. I'm going to spin around. There? Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Stu, where are the toilets?
I'll go with you.
I smell sea lions.
Yeah, might as well.
I like those 16 calls we heard that timer.
Oh, man.
What's the matter?
The knee.
off. We're spinning up wind. I mean, we're like downwind. That's good. That's good. That's good. Plenty. More too much.
You okay?
Yeah.
Turn your porch. They be moving.
What's that?
I said that guy's not moving. All right, all right. Spin around.
Yep. Pull up on port. Port.
Grab it, grab it. Grab the black one.
Grab
Go
that
ahead.
one.
If I screw up now, it's really a problem.